Hi, I'm Christina from my craft channel, and today I have a really quick and easy way to show you how to form a pleated medallion. Pleated medallions are such a fun way to add dimension and color and a real pop and lift off of your cards or layouts, or really a lot of different crafting projects that you might use paper for. I see them everywhere, and they sell them pre-made, but sometimes I want them made out of the pattern paper that coordinates with the layouts or cards that I'm making, or even I don't want to spend the money maybe, or I don't have one on hand when I'm trying to work and I would like one. So here's a way that you can make one in just a couple of minutes. Now, here you'll see that the pleated medallion that I used has lots of different patterns on it. The one over here is made out of one pattern paper, and both of them are really cute. And I'm going to make the two of these exactly the same way. You might wonder how I'm going to get all of the different patterns in one strip. Well, I kind of cheated. When you buy a pattern paper package, they come with these awesome covers, and they display each of the wonderful papers in the line. I really love this one. This one's by Echo Park. It's called Everyday Eclectic. And I like every single paper in the line. So in order to incorporate that, all I did was on my paper cutter, cut a 1-inch strip right off the top, getting a little piece of each of those pattern papers in the strip. Now, I pleated that back and forth, and I just do it by eye. I don't measure it. Some people might score it. If you want it to be exactly right, go ahead and score it every 1/4 inch or so. But I just kind of do it by hand and accordion fold it, just like in elementary school when we used to make the fans out of construction paper. Rewind, pull out that little tutorial in your head and use that right on this 12-inch strip. And you'll come out with a strip of pleated pattern paper. Run that right through your Teresa Collins X Xyron and apply adhesive to the back of it. Now it's very simple to peel off, and now here we have an adhesive backed pleated strip. Now what I'm going to do is just come down here and pinch so that this comes together in the accordion folds, just like so. I promise this is the easiest way to make one of these. I've made them and then tried to apply adhesive to the back, and they keep popping out on me. They just unfold too easily. Okay, now I want to come around here and push the two ends together. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sandwich the top over the two ends. Okay, so now I've got that. Pull it out just as much as I'd like, and here's my little card that I'm going to do this on. There we go. Now I have my pleated medallion all adhered right to the page. Isn't that simple and easy? Now I hope that you'll get creative and make some pleated medallions to incorporate in your next card, scrapbook layout, or crafting project.